So today we are doing an all-nighter night, and I'm gonna do some fun activities and see how late I stay up. Right now it is, oh no, yeah, hold on, what if I put it in night mode? And night time. Well, right now it is 7:44 right now. It is 7:40 right now. Please don't run away so far. No. So right now it is 7:45. I cannot now. I'll pretend to put a time zone. It is 7:45, and I'm gonna see how late I stay up. So for first action, I have a list on my phone that you cannot see at all, but so we have to complete this list before I can go bed. So the first thing on the list is paint my nails, which I'm gonna paint them. Or have someone and make try buttons on TikTok. It's gonna be fun. So yep, so it's 7:26 right now, and let's get started. So how are you guys on this lovely time? Yeah, I've been using this nail polish for so many years. It's how so what I'm doing this nice green nail polish, and it's dark sparkling nail polish to match my Halloween costume. So right now I'm filming this on the 29th of September, not September, October, but you won't see this until November next week. So let me start with the host. Like so, let me dip it in and paint. Like so. Back once my nails are done, but you know how they look so far. So I'll be back once my nails are done. So I finished my nails. Just a simple green sparkle. And this is the brand. This is not my favorite brand, but this one is Pinnacle colored and LA colored. So now I set off one thing off my list, and right now it took me almost a full hour to paint my nails. It is 8:15. I don't know if you can see that, but 8:15, and yeah. So next on my to-do list is a harness pack. and someone in my family. So I'm gonna be right back and I'm gonna reposition it somewhere and then I'll be back in about an hour. So bye. See you in a sec. What I'm gonna do is I'm so tired right now. So I'm gonna do a song with my messy, but I'm so excited to do this. You know that coming on. No, he doesn't. But I'm so excited. So far. So I'm gonna find a song. What can I do? Something that like interesting. I'm gonna like send it at different times. So how about what do I song? Or I might know what song you like with. No. I- So how about you? I know which one. Just a city boy. That one. I'm gonna do that one. Uh, I lost it and now it has to reload. Come on. Apparently I got it. A good signal in here. Come on. Oh, almost here, almost here, almost here. Oh, bars right here. I don't know why. One and four. There we go. So, I'm gonna do the notes that only main plate, the note plate, my best friend, and some other people here say that's one. Ooh, I do it to my brother. You would think it funny. Not happening since you won my other brother. So, no, so I'm gonna use no agreement. It's just a myself, living in a love, living in a lonely world, just a midnight train on any well. So that, and then I sent the same thing my best friend. So, yeah, so that is done. So, I'm gonna take a break and just relax a few minutes, and then I will be right back to the other three things. So, see you in a bit. And right now it is 11:18. So, see you in a bit. So, right now, I've been filming TikTok quite well. Right now it is 1:43 in the morning. It is 1:23. And I have been E1.3 but astronaut mode. What me? So, and I'm gonna do this last activity and then go to bed. And go to bed at about 4:30, 4:30 in the morning. Then do this last activity until then. So, I have two calls here to get you your mate. Hold on, do you like that? So, you know how my supply came out? My supply button. I'm gonna fix it up and like use my pasta pen, but I hope you enjoyed this all-nighter. I'm about to bed, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment below any videos that you want to see or any questions. I always look at the comments and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. My goal is 50 to 100 subscribers by 2022 and hit the notification bell on. Hit that bell and I hope you enjoyed my little night. Bye, Crafty fam.